So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to crop an image here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is find an image that you want to crop. Doesn't really matter. Just for this demonstration, I'm going to show you guys an image. How about of a fish? I will search up a fish right here. I'll make sure there's a background on these photos. So I will go to where it says photos, find one that has a background, and I will use this photo right here of this fish that kind of looks like Nemo if you think about it. But if you want to crop the photo, super simple. There's two ways you can do this. First one is by pressing on the photo. You can go to where it says crop in the top left corner. Now you're greeted with the screen right now where you can crop it to whatever size you want. There you go. I will crop it like that. Once I want to crop this area right here and get rid of this background, just press on done in the top left corner, and voila, it is cropped. Now if you want to do it another way, pretty simple as well. You can press on the photo, go to edit image. I want to get the original photo. I can't do that here, so I guess I will just delete this photo and I will go back right here. You can also just grab the sides right here and crop it like this, crop it like this, crop it a little bit lower, and crop it a little bit to the left. And just like that, we're pretty much in the exact same spot that we were before, just cropping it a different way. So a couple different reasons, a couple different methods, I guess, on how you can crop here in Canva. Super simple. Hopefully this video helped you guys out.